today you're going to get schooled on raising a property. And before we get confused, not this raising, but this raising. What we do here is an insurance company has deemed this an unsalvageable property. We can't rebuild it, we can't do anything to fix it, so it needs to be torn down. And you'll see this on your home insurance policy when you'll notice that that the number's higher than what you think the house is worth. This is part of that number. We have to come in and clean all of this up, tear all this down, clean it out before we start the rebuild. So stay tuned, we're gonna have some really great shots, and we'll see you when we're done. So that the other half of the house doesn't fall that way. But is this not the coolest thing you've ever seen? Right now he's folding the house in just to make sure that it's not going to either side. So all this coming, hopefully will come right down into the middle. So now the front half of the house has been brought down. Everything went in like it was supposed to. The dump trucks have arrived to take the first load of stuff out of here, and as he's going, more dump trucks will arrive, one after another, just to get everything cleared out as fast as possible. So everything is down now. The house is all folded in. All that's really left to do now is to use their machinery to smash everything down, and then we clean it up. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so we're back out here. Everything's taken out, everything's cleared out, the house is all gone. There was just a big hole where the basement used to be. So right now what they're doing is backfilling everything in there with sand for safety, so we don't have anybody walking by and falling in a hole. Oh hey, as you can see, work is done. House is down, everything's hauled out, and now they've got sand in here for safety. So you just got schooled on raising a property.